Well, according to Jiffy Lube, it's about time to do an oil change. And if you're wondering, this was extremely hard to get. I drove around the parking lot like 4 times and I still couldn't get it to go the extra 0.1 miles. But let's do an oil change. So I'll have to go get some oil so we can do an oil change real quick. And then we're gonna install our hood struts. So I'm gonna go to Napa. I usually don't get my oil from Napa, but apparently they have like a deal right now. And I'm all about saving that money. So let's go. So before I get the oil, I'm meeting with some people at a car wash. And apparently I just got into a dead end. So I didn't go the right way, but that's fine. I'm meeting some people that also have Mustangs. They're at the car wash over there. But I decided to go the wrong way, of course. Apparently that's a one-way. Oh, there's one Mustang. And then there's an FRS. Oh God. That was a big bump. Or a big divot. Let's see if we can sneak around the corner here. Oh, there's another one. So as you know, I usually really like to record like all the traveling and stuff that I do as well, whether that be like driving or like on the plane or whatever. If you've watched any of my other videos, that I do that all the time and make like a somewhat of a time lapse or a montage, and it kind of explains better what we're doing and like what's going on. However, being on base, I don't like doing that. Oh, her lights are fucked up. But being on base, I don't really like doing that because they're kind of a little harsher on things a little bit sometimes. And I just rather not do it. I'm doing it right now. Or am I? But yeah, I usually don't like doing it on base, so you don't really get the best experience comparatively to my other content. But I'm gonna go ahead and try and tell you what exactly is going on. I haven't picked up any oil yet, so that was not part of the plan. I don't know when I'm doing this oil change. I've got a long trip that's coming up this weekend, so I need to do an oil change. However, we picked up 2 imports, an M3, hella fast, and a WRX. I don't know if it's an STI, but it's a WRX. And they want to take some cool pictures. And we've got a car garage. So we're gonna go to this parking garage, and where are we going? I'm confusion. And we're gonna try and take some pictures, maybe of all of us. I don't know, they don't really like being with the muscle cars. So we're just gonna take some pictures, have a good time, hopefully. And you guys will be able to see that a little bit more than what's going on right now. So I kind of feel bad for not being able to show everything like I planned, so. Got to the parking freaking garage, and it like legitimately looks empty. There's like, alright, there's a few cars. So not as empty as I thought it was. I can't see shit. It's fucking bright as hell. But like, if I could see, it would be empty. Oh God, I can't see. This is so dumb. There we go. There's like no cars here. This should be great to have a terrible time, or have a great time doing terrible things. They've already like gone up more floors. I'm taking my time and trying to see through this terrible sun. But this is cool. This is really cool. I wasn't expecting this. He's taking pictures of my car. It sounds so good. Oh wow, that looks cool. Yeah, why are they way over there? Come join us.
Exactly, like fuck.
We're lonely.
Damn.
This camera's actually really good. Hopefully I get some good B-roll footage of this. The sunset. Can you focus? Oh, that's so pretty.
You know, if I was good at taking pictures, this would actually be a really good shot.
If you want, you can just hang off the edge and I'll hold on to you.
You'll hold on to me?
Yeah.
Oh, I feel so safe, yeah.
Okay. So it's now the following day. After taking the pictures and the montage and all that fun stuff, I got back kind of late, so I didn't get any oil and didn't do the oil change. But I need to do the oil change because I'm going far away this weekend. So now I'm looking through the manual to find out how much oil I need and the specific type. I don't really care about the type. I'm sure like it's kind of generic, but I do want to know how much to get, right? So we're gonna go do that, get the oil filter. Buddy's got some jack stands. We're gonna jack the car up, unscrew some bolts, let it drain. No oil pan, of course, just gone on the floor. And then fill it back up, change the filter, and call it a day. So let's go get some oil. And just like that, I am now the proud owner of 8 quarts of 5W20 Advanced Full Synthetic Motor Oil and an oil filter. So I'm gonna go get the jack stand and all the fun stuff, the drain pan, and do all the twisty stuff that I said earlier. Let's get into it.
That's what it smells if this fell on me. Yeah, that'd be a bad day.
Like, oh,
It's fine. It was just setting.
like how would you explain that if this thing just fucking,
Killed you.
like my head went,
I'd jack it back up and then drop it on me too. Like, I died too.
13. Trade you. There you go. Gotcha, bitch. Oil pan got. No, I got it. Maybe. Oh shit.
This is like the best time for like oil to like fucking squirt out your eyes.
Okay, either I'm a bitch or this isn't coming off. I might be a bitch. Okay, so I got this bag so that when it's like about to come off, you can
Put it in there.
put the fucking bag over it,
Yeah.
and so that all the oil will drop into the bag. Is it already loose enough?
Oh yeah, I can turn this bitch easy.
Oh, fan-freaking-tastic. We're studs. We're oil changing studs.
Yep.
That shit squirted everywhere. It got over here. Okay. That was good. I honestly thought you got it all in the bag.
Yeah, I thought it was all in the
But
bag.
I guess not. That's fine. I've never been so careful in an oil change before. Like, just pour it. Fuck it, right? Fuck God.
Want to restart?
No. Oh god. I've missed a fucking quart already. The quart just went all over my engine.
It's gonna smell so good. I have a funnel.
It's gonna. You have a funnel and you didn't tell me.
Yeah.
Race car.
No, a bulb actually. I'm a boss.
Okay, that's. It went everywhere. This is the work of a god.
I'll just keep.
Yeah, just rapid fire. Go, 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 go.
Faster.
This definitely is better than a funnel. Hands down.
Oh yeah. This is so much better than that.
It was cheaper too.
Yeah, literally, all I had to do was bite the bottom off of a fucking.
All right, you want to see if it starts up?
Yeah.
Got the keys real quick. Open the door real quick.
Just ding.
We didn't forget a step, did we?
No, we have all the oil, and it's all. Well, I think we just have to put the bottom thing up, right?
Right. Well, it starts. It says fucking. You know, whatever it says. Now, how do I reset the fucking oil thing? So we just finished up the entire oil change. We didn't get to the hood struts, so that'll be in a later video. But I definitely remembered, or I forgot how difficult it is to get oil off your hands. And we were very ill prepared with the amount of rags and stuff that we had set out there. So I ended up getting oil all over my car. I did what I could to get it off, but I'm definitely gonna have to wash it. And I'm not too upset because I plan on repainting it later because there's already like minor defects throughout the paint job from when I bought it. And of course, as time goes on, it gets worse and worse. So I'm gonna have it painted at my at a shop way up yonder, and hopefully they can cut me a good deal if I get the whole car painted. So it'd be nice. Stick around. I know I haven't posted in a while, but stick around. I hope you guys liked the shots that I was able to get. Next time I'll have like my tripod set up with the camera and pointing, and so we can record all of it, and so I can get better shots of everything that we're actually doing. But stick around. I have exciting things coming up, and it's gonna be great. So just stick with me, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment down below on what you'd like to see next. Also, remember the giveaway is coming out, so make sure to let me know what you want in the giveaway.